Hey, my DIY sellers, Joe Bilbro, wanted to give you a quick tip on when you're showing your house to potential buyers. What do you need to do quickly before they get there? Go into the property. If you're meeting them there from work or after work, whatever, just make sure you're there a few minutes early because there's a few things I want you to do to make sure your house shows the best possible that it can. All right, this may seem obvious, but a lot of people don't do this. All right, get there, turn on each light in each bedroom, in each room in the house, in the kitchen, the bathrooms, turn them all on. It makes a room open. It feels bigger when it's got enough light in it, even in the daytime. I'm in a house right now, full sun outside. You can see the difference when I turn that light on. It just brightens up this space. And it just makes a big difference. I've toured so many houses with buyers when I'm out showing a buyer property. As a buyer's agent, make sure I go through and flip those lights on as we're going through so that buyer gets a true feeling of that space. Another thing I want you to do is have your window blinds open, okay? Again, the emphasis is light in the space, letting in as much natural light as possible to that space. So don't ever show your house with it closed up and buttoned up and lights out and dark, okay? Everybody wants to feel a home when they're looking at your house. They want it to feel homey and picture their own themselves or their family living there. And one way to do that is make it as bright as possible, okay? Especially if your house has trees outside or a front porch, you know, that tends to darken that space. Go ahead and lighten it up as much as possible. Maybe if your house is vacant, put some floor lamps, leave some floor lamps in those rooms so that you can turn those on. If you can plug them into one of those outlets that's controlled by a switch, it makes it real fast and easy. Once you get there, just go around and turn them all on. And open up those blinds, open up the curtains, pull the curtains back. You can leave the blinds down, but yet open if you want to showcase that you've got the 2-inch faux wood blinds or whatever you might have there. That's fine to do, but you just want that light coming through, okay? So real quick tip, simple to do, but leaves a big impression on a buyer.